Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to cook Tallarin Saltado, which is basically a pasta with beef. It's like a Peruvian and Chinese infused delicious pasta, and I'm going to show you how. And here are the ingredients. We have a half a tablespoon of paprika, a half a tablespoon of cumin, a half a tablespoon of garlic powder, a half a tablespoon of black pepper. We have about a quarter of a shot of pisque, which is you can use vodka or tequila. I'm using tequila right now. 5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I have 5 cloves. I minced them up, and if you have one of these, it's like magic. You just squeeze it in there. You put it in there and squeeze it, and you're done. Here we have 4 tomatoes, 1 red pepper, we have 1 red onion, and a handful of cilantro. And for the star of the show, lomo saltado, which is skirt steak, as you can see right here in pieces. I just cut it into pieces, and it's about 1.5 pounds. Pasta in, which is just your basic spaghetti. Woo! Let's get this party started now, baby. We're gonna marinate the meat. We're gonna put it in here. All my garlic, I'm gonna throw it in here, right? A little bit of salt, not too much, because we're gonna add soy sauce, but just enough. A couple turns of this pepper. And now we're gonna massage the meat very nicely, mix it all up, make it happy, very garlicky, right? Because now we're going to cook it and sear it, and the name of this dish is lomo saltado, so that's what we're going to do, saltado, which means stir fry. Let's start with the stir fry. I'm gonna put in half of my meat and let it brown. We're going to take that off, put the other one in, and do the same thing, and then we're going to add the vegetables and everything else. Alright guys, I try and take the liquid out just so that it can sear better, because you don't want that liquid in there, so make sure you take that liquid and sear the heck out of it. So the spaghetti's ready and it's al dente. Now we're going to strain it. Okay. Now it's seared. I add my tequila, to give it a little bit more flavor. See how nice and brown? That's what you're looking for. This half is done. Now we're going to do the same process with the other meat. Hey girl, you want some lomo saltado? Yes you do. Yes you do. Okay, now we're going to chop this up. Okay, now we're going to add back the first half of the meat. See how nice and brown it is now? That looks beautiful. Now we're going to add the rest of the dry ingredients. Mix them all in. Right? A little bit of vinegar. Right, our soy sauce and our oyster sauce. Get all that stuff yummy in there. And then we're going to stir it. Look at that meat. See how beautiful it is? Now we're going to add our veggies. Cook all that together. Woo! Look at that. So beautiful. All those colors. Guys, do this dish. I promise you, you're going to love it. Okay guys, spaghetti in. And we're going to do a little bit at a time. So now that the vegetables are cooked, you don't want to overcook the vegetables, but just enough, halfway, I would say. So before throwing in the spaghetti, I stir-fried everything, all the meat and vegetables, for about 5 minutes or so, until kind of tender, but not all the way cooked. Okay guys, a handful of cilantro. Bam! Look at those colors, baby. Woo! And it is ready to be served, guys. Tell me that don't look delicious. Okay, now to plate. Guys, we're all done. Thank you for sticking with me throughout the whole video. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.